Hey you guys, we are gonna test the air fryer. Yes, as you guys see, I have the Pro air fryer, you guys. And yeah, your girl is gonna test this air fryer out. Okay, we're gonna test it out. Hi guys, how is everybody doing today? Good, cause your girl is back with another video. So today you guys, we are gonna test the air fryer. Yes, as you guys see, I have the Pro air fryer, you guys. And yeah, your girl is gonna test this air fryer out. Okay, we're gonna test it out. So today we have some Souvlaki chicken. Okay, now this is a chicken recipe. It's a Greek style chicken recipe. And yeah, your girl wanted to try it. So we have some wings, because we're going to use wings. Okay, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add some oregano in here. Approximately I guess a tablespoon, teaspoon. But anyhow, I think that's enough. You know, your girl ain't good at measurements, but I love to bring different recipes. And we're going to add some black pepper. Yes, we are. Okay, and we're going to add us a little olive oil in this. Use any oil that you like. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and give this a mix. Now I have to say, you guys, I did have a measuring spoon, as you see. But hey, everything don't always, I don't use it. You know, hey, let's just throw it away. Okay? So, anywho, we're going to go ahead and mix this on up, you guys. Because we want to put this right on in here. Now, what we're going to do with this is we're going to take this up a notch, because it's your girl kitchen. She can do this. Okay? And we're going to use some red hot seasoning blend. So we're going to make this spicy. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and mix this on up. Okay, now that we have it mixed up, we're going to set this aside. And your girl is going to open up her fryer. And we're going to take us a tray out. Okay. Yes. Let's put it up here. We're going to take another tray out. We're going to sit it right there. Because we're going to sit this tray well, that was the right way. So, but anywho, now we're gonna go and set this right here so that we can get this on here. So we're gonna put these chickens right in here, like so. These are big wings, you guys. I don't know if they all gonna fit, but we're gonna try it because we want to see what this air fryer is all about. And they did. So our next move is put this tray back. We got that in here. You guys, let me clean this up. Okay, so now we're back. So let's power. And we're going to go to 400. Okay. And we're going to press chicken. And we're going to reduce it. No. Wait a minute, temps. Okay. I guess, and we press start. And we're going to see what it does. So, as I said, this was my new Christmas gift. You guys, let me take you over. So, if you're viewing me for the first time, thumbs it straight up, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, come join your girl. I would love to meet you, so make sure you leave a comment below. I would like to know your opinion. Have you ever had Souvlaki chicken before? Because your girl never heard of it. But then again, hey, I'm open-minded for new recipes, always. And I'm sure you can make this in your convenient oven, you know. Because we all have one, you know, hey. I'm sure it makes a great recipe in the oven. So yeah, thumbs this video straight up. Help support the channel. Alright, so we're going to check on our chicken and see what it's doing. Okay. Let's check on it. Now, actually, I'm supposed to use my mitten. But you know me, you guys. Let's just pull out the rack. Okay. It's actually browning. And it starts back. That's what I love about it. You guys, it starts right back. You don't have to push anything. So I do understand that I had it on 40 minutes. I only actually want to cook it for 25 minutes. So out of that 40 minutes, I'm going to stop it at 15 after. That's where you see where the 27th is going to go to 15. Because your girl forgot to reduce it. Okay? So follow me on this, guys. First time ever using an air air fryer, you know, and it's the pro virgin, you know. Follow me, cause your girl don't know, okay? She don't know. I'm an old school cook, but am I loving this gift? I'm loving this gift, you guys. You guys need to get you one. Well, yeah, but I don't know. Let's keep testing recipes before I say that, you guys. But anywho, we'll be back. Okay, guys, so we're back. Let's check our temperature. Well, look at here. Look at here, you guys. Check this out. Okay, so your girl is going to put on her mittens. Well, yeah, my gloves and my mittens, you guys. Give me a hot minute. So as you see, everything dripped to his pan right down in here. And yes, from what I'm viewing, the chicken looks delicious. I really don't want to use, okay, but anywho, your girl don't like mittens, okay? I'm just sorry, you guys. Oh my goodness. You guys, check that chicken out. Check this chicken out. You guys, do you see this? I should have sprayed it. But look at there. You guys, I could turn this over and stand a little more cooking on that side to make them extra crispy. But look at that, you guys. Oh my goodness. Am I gonna love this? We're just gonna give this a few minutes. Not nothing major. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead because I wanna have it extra crispy. Guys, this is a beautiful Pro air fryer, and your girl is loving it. So we're gonna put this back in. Well, don't try that, you guys, not with plastic glove on, but you know your girl, hey, it is what it is. We're gonna go for 100. And we're gonna 15 minutes. We're gonna even give it that long. But anywho, we're testing it for the first time. You guys, if you caught it from the beginning, thank you guys. And if you got this far, I need to apologize. I did state that I got this for Christmas, but I actually got it for Mother's Day, you guys. So yeah. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you thumbs it straight up. But yeah, you guys, I'm starting to love this, okay? And look forward for more recipes coming with this Air Fryer Pro. We're going to go ahead and sample some things and see what we can come up with our own little twist on different types of recipes. And yeah, share them with friends and family and get their opinion on it. We'll be back. Okay, you guys, so we gave it a few more minutes. We took 40 minutes and we brought it down to 12. Okay? So, yeah. Did it do the trick? Yes, it did. Because your girl like extra crispy chicken. And you can't beat it. Oh, yes. You guys. Check this chicken out. I'm gonna let that cool off. And yes, let's test this chicken. Put it over in the plate. Guys, let me reach over here. Let's test the chicken out, you guys. So we're gonna get this big piece sitting right here. Look at that. Delicious. Here go you a bite. How was it? Good. You guys, if you don't have an air fryer Pro, you need to get one. I am loving this. Okay? I am really, really loving it. Let me tell you. Nice and juicy. Golden brown. Your girl just like hers extra crispy. So yeah, you guys, I cannot wait. Sending much love from my house to yours. Make sure you leave an opinion. Any suggestions? Leave them in the comments below. So sending much love from my house to yours. Goodbye.